A grinding wheel that is a 5.6 kilogram, 0.125 meter radius cylinder goes from 152 radians to a second to a halt in 22 seconds. What is the frictional torque? Okay, so the first step is let's find the I. So I is, all grinding wheels are cylinders, right? A cow is a cylinder. M/r squared. 1/2. I was going to say your mom is a cylinder, but I can't do that on a video. Okay, let's see. 125 squared. Okay, so 0.5 times 5.6 times 0.125 squared is 0.04375 kilograms meters squared. And this is, just to show that the moment of inertia of ordinary scale objects is small in terms of kilograms and meters, right? Okay, so that is our moment of inertia, right? We took a moment to do that, right? Then we're going to do this. Torque times time is I, right? So the torque is, that's what we're solving for, okay. The time is 22 seconds. Our moment of inertia is 0.04375 kilogram meters squared. 152 to halt. Should we make it negative? Just for fun, we will. Radians. This will give just a negative torque is all it will. Okay, so I'm going to go this number that's on my calculator times 152 divided by 22. So the torque is negative 0.302 meter newtons. Ta-da. The reason it's not negative there is that, well, anyway, I was too lazy to make it negative. It takes so much time to type that minus sign.